Morning guys, we are out here on this beautiful RV14 all the way out in Sealy, Texas today. We're going to be doing a ceramic coating on this thing. Customer is very interested in making sure that the ease of maintenance is going to be there for his plane here. His main concern is going to be the oil on the bottom side here. So all this oil residue will be much easier to clean here in the future for him, as well as the rest of the hydrophobic properties as well, and protection against the UV damage on this beautiful plane here. The part that we're doing now, as we're doing our rinseless wash on the aircraft here, is we're also using our clay bar to pull any surface contaminations that are in the paint out of the paint before we do our polish. As always guys, if you like this video, please hit that like and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way every time I post a video, you guys get alerts that I did post new content. And thank you guys for supporting my channel. The next part that we're doing here is going to be our belly degreasing. So we're going to be using our degreaser. Make sure we clean all this belly here. And then we're going to be doing the same part of our clay bar on the bottom here before we polish and coat the bottom as well. So the next product that I'm going to be using is going to be our bug remover that we have here. This customer here lives on a grass runway, so you have a lot of grass stains on the bottom here, on the flaps here, some caked on mud and everything. What a bug remover do is it would break down the bug's body, making cleaning of it very simple. As you can see here, if I were to clean this now, it's quite difficult to wipe off. If I go ahead and take our bug remover, spray this on the surface here, just like here. If I was going to wipe this, it's not coming right off. So spray a bug remover on there. It's not harmful to yourself, so it can spray on you. It doesn't have like that chemical smell at all. I'm just going to let this sit here and soak. It's going to break down the grass stains. It's going to break down the dirt, and so it's going to break down the bugs all at one time. And it's going to make for a very simple cleaning process right now as I go and wipe it. So as you can see here, this is in real time. We're going to wipe all these bugs off. And you can see how simple that made this to be clean. Alright, now that we got all the dirt, grime, bugs, grass off of the bottom of the plane, the next part that we're going to do is going to go ahead and do our wash, clay, and dry method, removing any contaminants that are in the paint and the clear coat. This plane does have 6 stages of clear coat on it, so we're going to be removing all the contaminants that are in here, and then we're going to get ready for polishing. My test spots here, I did find the best results that I did get is going to be the Uno 1 from Rupes, paired up with the yellow wool pad from Rupes as well. I always like these yellow wool pads because they just give you a little bit more cut than a typical foam pad would. I do like these on, especially when doing any type of aircraft. It just gives you that little bit more cut. Alright, the whole plane has been polished. Now what we're going to do before we prep it and start coating is we're going to polish the spinner. So I have cut some plastic out, and we're going to plastic everything that we have been polished already. That way it does not get any of the bright work on there. So we're going to go ahead and put all this plastic down and get started. We are going to be doing a 2-step polish, possibly a 3-step polish on the spinner just to make it look absolutely perfect. We're going to be coming by with the new Vite F7 C followed by S on a cotton flannel to get this thing perfect. Thank you guys for staying tuned so far with this video here. I did run out of minutes on my phone for recording video, so I did not get to capture the content of laying down our ceramic coating on this beautiful aircraft here, but the spinner is polished here as well as all the painted surfaces of the panel. Look at that red right there. The red is just gleaming. That deep red color is just sparkling like no other. This customer is super happy, and this guy that built this plane, Andy, would be so super proud.